My name is Pete Naylor. I'm a tutor at Gower College, Swansea. Anybody that's serving food or handling food, they require a level 2 at least. If we don't have the proper qualifications, then we're breaking the law. And far too often, no matter what part of hospitality you're in, hotels, restaurants, cafes, pubs, clubs, sporting venues, all these places, they require a certain amount of qualification. We have personal licence for obviously the hospitality section of it. We have allergen control, food safety. We also have fire safety, and we have HACCP, which is the management for food safety. All these are fully funded. Most of these courses are just one-day courses. However, some of them could be 2 days, some are 3. All you have to do is contact Gower College Swansea. We'll discuss what your requirements are. We will help you with all the paperwork and hold your hand all the way through, sort the funding out, sort the paperwork out, and make you legally compliant.